expected to take effect within 15 days. Now that the relief bill is out of the way, lawmakers can focus on a proposed $1 trillion economic stimulus package. That would let the government send most adults checks. The Treasury Department plans to ask Congress for $500 billion in direct payouts to taxpayers. The checks would be sent in 2 rounds, one on April 6th, the other on May 18th. The amounts will be based on income level and family size, but the specifics are unclear at this point.
During a time when first responders are urgently needed, the Allegheny County Sheriff's Office is down 16 deputies because they may have been exposed to the virus. The chief deputy confirmed to Channel 11 that a deputy with symptoms went to work yesterday after his son's girlfriend and mother recently returned from Spain. The deputy came into contact with 15 others before he reported his symptoms to a supervisor. He was sent home and tested for coronavirus. He was told to quarantine for 14 days. To be safe, the other deputies he came into contact with were sent home as well, and they're all going to self-isolate until test results come back.
Local police departments are doing everything they can to limit the spread of the virus, and that includes handling some calls by phone only. The chief in New Kensington told our trip partners his officers will use their discretion in deciding if a call can be handled on the phone or if they need to go to the scene. This does not include emergency calls when someone may be in danger. If police do come to your home, the chief wants you to tell officers if you feel sick. Other departments in the Alley-Kiski area have similar plans. The Clairton police chief posted on Facebook that they're running low on disinfectant wipes and sanitizing sprays. The officers clean their cruisers after every traffic stop or arrest, and as the pandemic plays out, officers are now working to practice social distancing and eliminate some face-to-face contact. If you can help out, you can drop off cleaning supplies at the Clairton Police Department. Students had to go to Stowe Rocks High School yesterday, even though all schools in the state are shut down. Pictures were sent to us showing a line of students outside the school, definitely not practicing social distancing here. The superintendent told us students remained outside in fresh air and were given their schoolwork. Because they were outside, he says the students were not in danger. The superintendent also told us the work had been untouched for more than 24 hours, which he says is a CDC recommendation. The superintendent told us in a statement that students needed the academic packet so they can maintain their work during the closure. And during the last 3 days of the school closure, the Stowe Rocks district provided more than 1,000 lunches to students. City of Pittsburgh has opened 4 new grab-and-go meal sites for city school kids after some sites had to shut down. The new locations are the Paulson Rec Center, the Warrington Rec Center, the Salvation Army in Homewood, and the Salvation Army on the west side. Pickup times are 11 to 1 on weekdays, and there are 100 grab-and-go meals available at each site. The district shut down several grab-and-go sites yesterday because some staff members who had been in the buildings were exposed to a confirmed case of coronavirus outside of work.
4 new Allegheny Health Network testing sites are opening this week in our region. In a matter of days, they're expected to lead to hundreds of tests for those who truly need them. They will be in Wexford, Bethel Park, Monroeville, and Erie. Health officials say the goal is to bring testing closer to where people live and work.
We believe keeping potentially infected patients in their personal vehicles rather than in a hospital waiting room keeps everyone safer.
Only people with coronavirus symptoms and a valid prescription from an AHN doctor can get tested, so patients are urged to call AHN to be screened over the phone first.
Dollar Bank says it will shift to what it's calling distance banking tomorrow. They are urging customers to use the drive-thru and take advantage of online banking. Branch lobbies will be open by appointment only. ATMs and personal teller machines will continue to operate as normal, and some locations will have reduced hours. Walmart is trimming hours for the second time in a week. Beginning today, stores will be open from 7 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. Those that open later than 7 a.m. will continue their regular starting hours. And from March 24th through April 28th, Walmart will host an hour-long shopping event for seniors every Tuesday for people 60 and older. That will start an hour before stores open to the public. Updates on the coronavirus are coming out by the minute. Make sure you tune into Channel 11 and the WPXI News app, where you can find stories about all of the new developments here at home and around the world.
That's all for Channel 11 News at noon. Our next newscast is tonight at 5.
Thanks for joining us, and stay healthy. Thanks for joining us. I'm Gordon Lesh.
And I'm Catherine Amenta.
At Channel 11 Morning News, we help you prepare for the day ahead.
Definitely the heavy rain gear today with temperatures.
Heavier delays for the inbound morning commute.
We expanded our breaking news team to better cover news happening right now and give you new information throughout the morning.
Let's get right to Jennifer Tomazik live at the breaking news desk.
A huge impact on the area.